vlogger.
Yeah.
So hot, guys. We're going to the beach. To the beach. To the beach. Shout out everyone. Thank you so much. This is my friend. She's like cute. She's very cute girl. See the dress? Doon nata, sa 7-Eleven. Just done eating lunch.
Di ba yan tayo sasakay, oh?